Alright. So, I just took my boots off. We're going for trash bags. I got the right end here. I'm still gonna bust my rear. So, I'm gonna slip the trash bag up the leg. Slip the crock on. Check that out.
Just right over.
Rock the crock.
Rock the crock. You're gonna be rocking the ice cream bread here.
You'll dig me out, won't you?
Sure.
Okay. After I get this on here, show you how I hold it up. Okay. Pull it up to my legs here. Pull this bungee cord around. Reach back in there and grab it.
Oh yeah, nice.
Hook it on. There we are. You
Very
like my
cool.
stockings?
You know what, I gotta tell you, I would have, I'm a stubborn guy, so I would have just ended up taking my damn boots and socks off and crossing that icy cold water.
Well, you
but
know,
I'm not that smart neither.
all right, we'll see how this works out.
Let's see it.
Maybe I should cross it first without the pack.
I think that'd probably be a good idea.
You know what? Let's just do it.
Oh, you're gonna go all out.
You know it's gonna be cold anyway, right?
Uh-huh. It's the one thing I dig the most about my mucks. The insulation on these things are awesome. You don't even feel that water.
I'm gonna feel it. Oh, I think I'm gonna leave this right here.
You're definitely pretty sure-footed on that ice.
Huh?
I said you're a lot more sure-footed on that ice than I am.
Well, it's a job-related quality.
You guys didn't know, Travis. Good job, bud.
Rock the crock.
You guys didn't know Travis is actually in construction, so that's what he meant by job-related. He's out in the elements all the time. He's got a really good advantage when it comes to cold weather and hot weather and everything else. But I tell you what, that was a good idea, that trash bag. Oh, now he's just pushing it. Look at him go. Look at him go. That a kid.
You gotta come back for the gear. Or at least the filming gear.